Well, with just 2.5 months left in the Texas legislative session, committees are starting to take up priority bills.
One of Speaker of the House Dade Phelan's top priorities was heard in committee today, the Texas Data Privacy and Security Act.
It would give Texans control over the personal information companies track and sometimes sell about them online.
KVUE's Isabella Basco is here to tell us what the bill would do. Isabella?
That's right, Brian and Ashley. Each time you go online, companies are collecting your personal information from your birthday to your address, and that information can get sold to just about anyone, including people who want to hurt others. The author of the bill, Southlake Republican Representative Giovanni Capriglione, laid out his bill to the House Committee on Business and Industry. He told the story of Amy Boyer. In 1999, the 20-year-old New Hampshire woman was shot to death while leaving work by a former high school classmate. He paid a website called DocuSearch Inc. about $150 to get her private information, including her work address. Representative Capriglione says the federal government hasn't addressed the danger, so he wants to protect Texans.
You would have to basically consent to a lot of that information being collected. You'd have the right to review what information is being collected about you, the right to correct the information. If you think that something's wrong, you could go in and change it. You can delete the information if you no longer want that particular business to have it anymore.
Amy's parents sued DocuSearch. Their attorney, David Gottsman, says Amy's privacy was invaded.
When it was found out that the individual who sought the information also had a history of keeping guns and ammunition at his home, people were asking questions as to why didn't somebody know something about this? Why didn't somebody check who was requesting the information?
Under the bill, if a consumer believes their rights have been violated, they can go directly to the corporation or the Attorney General's office and file a complaint. The legislation would allow the Attorney General to investigate companies that breach contracts with customers. Those companies could have to pay civil fines of up to $7,500. The bill was left pending, so the committee still has to decide whether it will advance the bill to the full House for a vote. Brian and Ashley.